Next ideology is utilitarianism. Utilitarianism is a principle or doctrine of ethics proclaiming that only what is useful is good and that usefulness utility can be rationally determined, and the political, economic and social theories and policies are based on this theory. Means utilitarianism believes that what is useful, that has to be accepted, or the person thing that is useless, then it has to be rejected. If the person thing is useless, then it has to be rejected. The thing person which is useless, then it has a no chance to live in a state. The ideology is a close to materialistic ideology as well as to the individualistic ideology, but not the same. Why it is materialistic? Because it favors the things person, those who are useful only. The things which provide you comfort, relaxation, happiness and are useful, those things should be accepted. This is called utilitarianism. The ideology doesn't believe on religion as well as on a god, because the worship, praise, prayers are immaterial, because the enjoyment from it is invisible. But if you are provided AC, car, bungalow facilities, such facilities, that means materialistic facilities, then you can satisfy your all needs. So that is the soul of the utilitarian ideology, but only for the things. It appeals for the human beings also, that if it is useful then keep it, and if it is useless then throw it. So this is not right. Means for thing it's okay, but for human being this is the bad thing. Rejecting thing was okay, but rejecting of the human beings means throwing them out of a state is not a right. This thought was against the humanity, so utilitarianism was rejected and criticized. So here we have seen the meaning of utilitarianism. Next are the features. So for features and advantages, you can write the same answer. Utilitarianism based on liberalism. So utilitarianism is based on liberalism. Jeremy Bentham, James Mill and John Stuart Mill upheld the principles of liberalism like civil liberty, fiscal, social, personal and economic. These liberals also espoused the cause of utilitarianism. Thus utilitarianism had liberalism for its foundation. Realistic approach. As this theory is a realistic approach, this is having a realistic approach. As you need food, water, transport service, medicines, education service, so you need all this to fulfill and satisfy you. The emotions like the love, passion, anger, all are immaterial. They don't fulfill your needs. What is exit visible is true and real. So this theory is having a very realistic approach. Next is the English school of thinking aiming at reforms. So utilitarianism was an English school of thinking which launched a movement for introducing many reforms in various fields in 19th century. Ideology believes on reformation, change, development and progress. New technologies were adopted. So here new techniques method should be adopted by us, so it can increase our progress, development. Self-regarding and other regarding. Utilitarianism thinks of the happiness of the individual and the happiness of others in society. Two types of happiness: self-regarding and others regarding happiness. State to promote welfare and happiness. So here the main function of the state is to promote the happiness of the one and all. If your act doesn't cause any harm, sorrow, damage to anybody, then it is allowed. But if it is causing any harm, then it should be stopped. And the state can interfere in the business. If your business means, the state can interfere in majority as well as individual's business. The state should enter and restrict, stop the business if it is affecting, damaging the state or anybody. The state is like an agent, mediator, which has to create a welfare state. Means if your business is harming the state, then the state can interfere and stop your business. So here we have completed the features of utilitarianism. In the next part, we will see the ideas of Jeremy Bentham.